Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 BK Mazda 3 SP23 hatch, stock reference number 4390. This shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. It's got an average bumper cover. Left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror, 5-wire type. Left front door has one small dent. Side skirt. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has one small dent. Spoiler type. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand sill skirt. Right front door appears to have no damage. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console. 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, surround type, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.